everybody.
We're gonna do a computer.
Don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell, and give a very big thumbs up, and hit that notification bell. My name is Aden. We have to do this a computer with an adult. Explain all of the parts of the computer. A motherboard.
For the CPU and brain.
Computer.
Told you. That's how you do it.
Brain of the computer, and this is expensive.
Now we are going to put the CPU over here, and we need to match like the corner. You see like the golden triangle over here? We need to match it over here with the triangle on the board, the small one on the corner. Both of them have to match. We're going to put the CPU, we're going to lift this up, the lock, we release it, and we put it here. Okay, should fit, and we close the lock.
We'll put the compound on.
That's your shot.
Pump cools down the brain of the computer.
The fan.
We're gonna put the fan on the brain of the computer.
Y'all take a chewy. That means you gotta take. Not taste it so.
Should I be so happy?
Okay. And it's
The wire of the fan. We're connected to the motherboard.
Are the memories. We're gonna connect to the motherboard.
sure you check the configuration of the memory. So according to the motherboard, you need to put it in B2 and A2. Alright, so this is B1, B2, A1, A2. So it needs to be B2, A2.
Hard.
Okay.
Hard drive.
Let me see. It's pretty small.